Today, let's do a quick review of this cheap USB video capture card that I bought online. You can get this for only $3 to $4. It's a steal if we can test this and see if it's working. It says on the package 4K, but it's only 1080p 30 FPS. Maybe it's just some marketing ploy from their packaging. So we have here the USB device and some user manual that doesn't tell you that much. It's pretty much plug and play. So let's find out. Here's the HDMI input where you plug in the HDMI cable from your source. Then here's the USB Type-A output, which you plug into your recording device. So what we want to do is capture video from this old desktop. Then record from this laptop. This desktop is connected to this monitor right here. So record video from here to here. So from the back of my desktop PC, I have these DVI and HDMI video connections, so I'll be recording and plugging this HDMI to the capture card. Let's plug in our USB capture card to the USB port of our laptop. Then plug in the HDMI cable from our desktop to the video capture card. This is my laptop screen where I will be recording, and this is the desktop screen we will be recording from. The laptop recorder runs Windows 11, and the desktop runs Linux Zorin OS. Okay, so from our laptop, let's run OBS Studio to record from our capture card. You'll see that it's already mirroring my desktop screen to OBS Studio. From my Sources tab, you can already see Video Capture Device, which I have already added a while ago. To add your video capture card to the sources, just click the plus sign here, and then select Video Capture Device from the list. Then click the Settings icon to adjust the settings for your capture card. Set the resolution and FPS type to Custom, and adjust the settings based on the settings your capture card specifications. Mine is 1080p or 1920 by 1080 with 30 FPS. Then click OK. To start recording, just press the Start Recording button, and it will now start recording and capturing the screen from our desktop. Okay, let's have some activity here to record. Let's open Settings. Here we have our Zorin OS installed on this desktop. And let's try some browsing. And open YouTube. Let's open up my channel. There, it's still perfectly capturing and recording. To stop recording, just click the Stop Recording button. Now let's check our recording and play our video. Click File menu and select Show Recordings. It will open up the folder where it saved the video file. Let's play it and see how well it captured the screen from our desktop. So yeah, it's looking good. So there you have it. We can say that this dirt cheap USB capture card is a real steal. It may not capture beyond 1080p, 30 FPS or 4K, but at $3 to $4, I'm not complaining. It's working as it's supposed to be. So until next time, folks, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you haven't done so. And have a great day, everyone.